Have you ever wondered why your fridge suddenly sounds like a dying robot around month 3 of a guest's stay? That is not a ghost, that is just neglected maintenance catching up with you in the most dramatic way possible. Midterm rentals sit in this weird middle zone. Longer than a hotel stay, but shorter than a lease, and that means your maintenance rules cannot just copy either world. A one-night stay never needs an air filter check, but a 90-day stay absolutely does. Think of your rental like a pet, not a fancy one like a dog, more like a goldfish that needs its water changed on a schedule or it just gives up. If you ignore it for 3 months straight, do not be shocked when it turns belly up right when your guest is trying to shower. Let us talk HVAC filters first, because they are the silent villains of every midterm stay. Every 30 to 60 days you want a fresh filter, especially if guests have pets or the place is near a dusty road, because a clogged filter is basically asking your system to run a marathon while wearing a snorkel. Water heaters are next, and people always forget these exist until there is no hot water at 7 in the morning. A quick flush every few months keeps sediment from turning your tank into a lava lamp, and nobody wants that kind of mystery liquid coming out of a faucet. Smoke detectors and carbon monoxide alarms need a monthly test, no exceptions. Because this is the one item where being lazy is not just annoying, it is actually dangerous. Set a phone reminder, press the button, hear the beep, move on with your day. Pest control is another one that sneaks up on hosts who assume bugs only bother other people. A quarterly check, especially in warmer regions, keeps a small ant problem from becoming a full-blown insect sitcom happening in your kitchen cabinets. Here is a common misunderstanding though. People think midterm stays need less upkeep than short-term because there is less turnover cleaning. Actually, it flips the other way. Appliances and systems get used constantly for months without the natural reset that comes from an empty unit airing out between guests. Gutters and exterior drainage deserve a look every season change, roughly 4 times a year, because water finding the wrong path into your property is basically the plot of every horror movie about houses. A 10-minute inspection beats a $5,000 flooring replacement every single time. Appliances like washers and dryers benefit from a lint trap and hose check monthly, since a 3-month guest is doing laundry way more than a weekend traveler ever would. Think about it, that dryer is basically working overtime like it owes someone money. Now let us bring in a little data for the doubters out there. Property managers who follow a written maintenance calendar report noticeably fewer emergency repair calls compared to those who just wait and reacting is always more expensive than preventing. Locks, door hinges, and window seals should get a look every couple months too, especially with a stay lasting 90 days or more where daily use adds up fast. It is a small thing, but a sticky lock at 11 at night turns a happy guest into a 1-star review writer. There is a rhythm to all this, and honestly, it is less about being obsessive and more about being consistent, like brushing your teeth instead of doing a deep dental cleaning once a year. Small regular checks prevent the big dramatic failures that cost real money and real trust. So the real lesson here is not that maintenance is complicated, it is that midterm stays reward preparation way more than luck ever will. A simple recurring calendar, a checklist, and a little bit of rational thinking will save you from becoming the host with a legendary fridge horror story. If any of this got you thinking about how to actually build that maintenance calendar for your own midterm rental, want to learn more about our company? Check out our links in the description.